Everyone, back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to study the ongoing topic, that is we are here only the next page of 248 page. And now the we were discussing about the pollutants releasing from chemical factories. Now we have the another paragraph. So starting is this: these industries cause chemical contamination of water. The chemicals released include arsenic, lead, and fluorides, which led to uh, toxic, uh, toxicity in plants and animals. There are regulations to prevent this. Industries are supposed to treat the waste produced before discharging it into waters, but quite often the rules are not followed. And the soil is also affected by impure water, causing changes in acidity, growth of worms, etc. Now they are telling that the chemicals released many intoxicants like arsenic, lead, and fluorides, and then there are regulations to prevent this. And now industries are supposed to treat the waste produced so before it's discharging it into waters now, but often the rules are not followed by some of them. The soil is also affected by impure water, causing changes in acidity, growth of worms, etc. We have learned in chapter first the importance of pesticides and weedicides for the protection of crops. However, all these chemicals dissolve in water and are washed into water bodies in the fields. They also seep into the ground to pollute groundwater. Now the next paragraph is this: have you seen ponds which look green from a distance because they have a lot of algae growing in them? Is caused by excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields. These act as nutrients for algae to flourish. Once these algae die, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. A lot of oxygen in the water body gets used up. This results in a decrease in the oxygen level, which may kill aquatic organisms. So here they are telling that many of us have seen a green form I mean green colored layer of some algae growing in ponds and rivers, and they have a large amount of algae growing in them. This is only the caused by excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields. So these will act as a nutrient for algae to flourish, and then once these algae die, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. And then a lot of oxygen in the water body gets used up. So then this results in a decrease in the oxygen level, which will kill aquatic organisms too. So this is very dangerous for the aquatic animals. We have the another activity, that is recall activity 18.6. You had investigated the sewage disposal system of your locality in class 7th. Do you remember how the sewage was collected from your home and where it went thereafter? So here we have to recall the activity we had done in class 7th, and they were discussing about only that is, do you remember how the sewage was collected from your home and where it went thereafter? So we have to recall that one only in this, and that's it. And we have to learn all the paragraphs that we have discussed today, and then we will continue this in the next video.